The northern yellow warbler is a small, active songbird that breeds in wetlands, thickets, and young river edges across the northeast, with males showing bright yellow plumage and both sexes moving quickly through low branches while feeding on insects and caterpillars. Its rising song is often heard before the bird is seen, and it nests low in shrubs using soft plant fibers in dense new growth near water. Canada geese. Black-capped chickadee. The wood duck is a cavity-nesting duck found along wooded ponds and slow rivers. The Canada goose is a large, adaptable waterfowl species that grazes on grasses and forages along shorelines, often remaining in family groups through much of the year.